10 genius mom hacks for a stress-free baby routine. Vertical bar baby care tips and tricks. Being a new mom is wonderful, but it can also be tough. Taking care of your baby while juggling everything else can be a challenge. That's why we have put together some simple and smart mom hacks to help you out. These tips will make your daily life with your baby much smoother. 1. Prepare meals in advance. Cooking with a baby around can be hard. Try making meals when your baby naps. Cut up veggies, marinate meat, and store them in containers. This way, you can quickly put together a healthy meal when you're hungry. 2. Have diaper supplies everywhere. Diapers are a constant need. Set up diaper changing stations on every floor. Put diapers, wipes, and extra clothes in each station. No more running up and down the stairs for diaper changes. 3. Use furniture for more than one thing. Choose furniture that's useful in more ways than one. Get a crib with storage space underneath. Use a changing table as a dresser later on. This saves space and keeps things organized. 4. Use your phone for reminders. With a busy baby schedule, it's easy to forget things. Use your phone's alarms to remind you of feeding times and appointments. Stay on top of things with technology. 5. Keep essentials in a tote. Make a tote bag with all the baby basics: diapers, wipes, a pacifier, and a small toy. Carry it with you as you move around the house. No more searching for supplies. 6. Take care of yourself. When your baby naps, take a break too. Don't just do chores. Relax, read, or take a bath. You'll feel better and more ready to handle the rest of the day. 7. Choose easy snacks. Pick snacks that you can eat with one hand. Granola bars, fruit, and cut up veggies are great choices. You can snack while taking care of your baby. 8. Keep tiny clothes together. Baby clothes can get lost in the laundry. Use mesh bags for small items like socks. This keeps them safe and makes laundry less of a hassle. 9. Make a bedtime routine. A bedtime routine can help your baby sleep better. Give your baby a warm bath, play soft music, and dim the lights. A calm routine helps your baby sleep and you too. 10. Connect with other moms. Talk to other moms. Join online or in-person groups. Sharing experiences and tips can make you feel better. You're not alone in this journey. In short, being a mom is amazing but hard. These mom hacks will make things easier. Try them out and find what works for you. You've got this. Thanks for tuning in. If these mom hacks made your life easier, hit the like button and subscribe for more parenting tips. Your support keeps us going. Happy parenting!